Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Woodshed 3. We're back out in the garage working on the B pillar for the Model A. Crappy weather outside. It's drizzly. It's only 60 maybe. It's New England. But we're working on a B pillar. We're going to try to get that onto the car today. So once we get that on, we can start on the quarter panel and get this car, passenger side of the car, looking like a car again. Yeah. So we're going to be doing B pillar. I already cut out the piece that supports this. Let me take you over there. I don't know why I can't do this. We are scaling and forming the piece that supports the B pillar on the inside of it. Okay, there again. We are making progress. So my other phone died. I finally noticed it. So we got this B pillar lined up. And I just made this piece to go here. It's thicker steel. And it's going to support the bottom here. Now the fender, the quarter panel goes up and slips inside here. So that gap is going to be taken up by the fender, or the quarter panel I should say. Might have to cut a little off here to fit that right, but this is welded in a little bit, just tacked on this side. I want to weld this in here to give that support before I get the door open, and then weld the other side of this. So I'm going to weld this over here and up here. I got to prep the surfaces, and then actually the surfaces on that side are okay, and that's okay. I just got to prep that. Alright. Watch this. This is pretty solid. I mean, it's a little shaky because the fender isn't on there, but the door closes pretty good. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. I'm not going to change anything on that. Weld this to that, this to this. Big gap there. We have a B-pillar. That's the best part. Click. Ta-da! We have a B-pillar. Yes, we have a B-pillar, and it is pretty solid. I mean, yeah, man. Alright, so I know you've been watching me weld, so back up a little bit and we'll show you a little bit of what we did. Alright, so we now have a B-pillar, very important for the structure of the car. Okay, and this side over here, the other guys who built the car, you just put a little gusset in there, and then they have the down tube there, the 1x1 tube, which I have right here. That is going to go like that. it'll go like that, and that'll give even more support to this. But I don't want to do that yet until I get the fender lined up, quarter panel lined up. But the welds aren't pretty, but I put this, made this extension on it so it would go down. This extension so it would go down, because it was cut off right here, so it had no way of attaching itself to that, to the rail. So I put this piece here, so this is sleeved kind of about 4 inches actually, to give that structure, and it's on. And then, like I said, I put this piece on to give it strength, give the whole car strength. Yeah. So again, I'll give this thing a little spray paint. I'm not gonna knock down the welds or anything. This is a race car. It's not a show car or anything. This is going to be made to go down the track, and or around the track, and or wherever I can take it. So again, I got that all welded up. Some people might be scringing, but you know what? Functionality, that's what I'm going for. Functionality. Doesn't matter if it's pretty. It just needs to work. Alright everybody, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. We got the B-pillar on the Model A. That is a big accomplishment for this car. We're well on our way. We're going to keep going. I got the whole week off, so we're going to keep running on this stuff, trying to get the projects a little smaller. Alright? Thanks for tuning in. Please hit the subscribe and the like button and the little bell to get notifications on our next video. And I appreciate you. Everybody tuning in. Peace. Keep on tinkering. Good morning, everyone. Happy 4th of July. We are out here in the garage working on the Model A, second day in a row. We got the B-pillar mounted last night, and that's all good to go. We reinforced it a little bit more, and then we're going to be doing the quarter panel, getting the quarter panel put on. This car has not had a quarter panel on it in so long. This car was in an accident, hit a tree, crushed the passenger side. It's just about done as far as that's concerned. So I did not film a lot that happened. I thought I was filming, but guess what? My camera was not filming. I thought I was filming, wasn't filming. So I took some pictures. I'm going to show you around what I got done. This is the quarter panel is basically tacked on and sitting in place. It needs some refining. This quarter panel was crunched. My buddy Rob straightened it out as much as he could, and we're going from there. So I'm going to take you on a little tour. It's going to be a little short video because my camera did not film when I thought it was filming. And usually I have 2 cameras going. Yeah, today I didn't. Go figure. Go figure. But anyways, happy 4th of July, everyone. And I appreciate everybody for tuning in, and come follow us. Okay, so there's the crunched up fender reattached. Like I said, it's it's rough, but everything is lined up. Look, even the door opens and closes. So everything lines up. We got the bead down here, is all tack welded in. I had to make a relief cut here to make this fender conform. So I got it tacked in down here. I'm gonna have to make a little bit of plate there or something. Cut this, shape this. This B-pillar is very solid. We also installed the top support for the B-pillar. So we have the bottom